Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the addition and that you have recent updates. This matters for safety. Once done, verify the patient's identifiers, allergies, weight, renal and hepatic status. Those data drive choices. Make sure to open the BNF to the contents and find the relevant section quickly using the index or quick reference tables. You will now be positioned to identify licensed indications, standard dosing, and cautions. Start with the drug monograph most applicable to your patient. You now read the monograph thoroughly. Focus on indications, usual dosing ranges, and maximum doses because those define safe prescribing. Then check interactions and contraindications. Use the interaction checker and note clinically significant pairs. Once done, review monitoring requirements, therapeutic levels, EC, labs, and schedule them. Make sure to adjust doses for age, body weight, renal, or hepatic impairment using the provided tables and examples. Calculate and double-check math, and document your rationale in the record. You finalize the prescription by writing dose, route, frequency, duration, and a monitoring plan. Include any required baseline tests. Once done, counsel the patient on purpose, common and serious side effects, adherence tips, and when to seek help. Give clear return precautions. Make sure to document counseling and follow-up. If something goes wrong, lab abnormality, unexpected reaction, or dosing doubt, stop the drug if needed, and consult a pharmacist or senior clinician immediately as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.